The white men are not part of the 12 tribes.
No, they're the devil the Bible speaks of.
They are?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, and come on, the papa. Maybe some say, Yakasa Israel United in Christ are only here for. Now, church say Israel United in Christ, no, 12 tribe of Israel, na yeti omudin e Bible mu no, Jacob abusuya no, omo ene from say Israel United in Christ. Na eno no ya before na ya tutu kwan akọ amama bi so no, saa mfo no ene ye saa 12 tribe of Israel no, na enye abrofo na ye nimu omo no, na emu abrofo no, the devil. Wow. Why do you call them the devil?
Jesus called them the devil.
Okay.
In Revelation 2:9.
All right, so
let's open up with that.
Sure.
Show you that what Christ taught, none of your churches teach what Christ taught.
Okay. And you know, say, so okasa mo ye devil, abonsamfo a. Enyo no ka nemo mu no Yesu ankasa ne churches a. Enu ntem di kan no fa Bible no esan se ye ba besua de yie pa na ye nko Bible nim. Enti you said Revelation?
Yeah, Revelation chapter 2 verse 9.
Chapter 2 verse 9
and 10.
Okay.
Revelation chapter 2 verse 9.
Okay.
I know thy works and tribulation and poverty.
So he's speaking to the real Israelites.
But thou art rich.
Why are we rich? Because all the promises in the Bible pertain to our people.
Okay.
And I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Jews.
I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Jews.
Okay.
And are not.
But
are the synagogue of Satan.
Who?
Synagogue of Satan.
Christ said they are the synagogue, meaning the house of Satan. Go ahead.
Fear none of those things which thou shalt suffer. Behold, the devil shall cast some of you into prison.
Who was throwing our people into prison during the time of Christ? Rome!
Okay.
Rome was throwing us into prison, the white man. He calls them the devil and Satan. You understand that?
Okay.
Don't get nervous now.
No, I'm not.
Because your church ain't going to teach that to you.
So he said Revelation chapter 2 verse
9 and 10.
Verse 9 and 10. So I'm trying to read from the account version for our listeners to be able to understand. Enti adi seme woma no eti mienu eyimu enkron kosi du ba no. Revelation chapter 2 verse 9 and 10 no yenti said the Bible no kan o say minim wo ho hia ene wo hia no nanso wo ye odefo na won a wo say wo ye Yudafo nanso wonye na imom wo ye Satan inhia dan no abususem